Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner. And today I have got an extremely special unboxing for y'all. Now, before I open this, I just want to say thank you to Jennifer for sending this to me to share with all of y'all, because this is going to be I'm just very excited about this. Because I know this is something that if it wasn't for an item similar to this, I couldn't do what I do. And okay, so I love to diamond paint, and all of you diamond paint also. And a lot of you cross stitch, and a lot of you make cards, and a lot of you are doing miniature houses, which I have started getting into myself. A lot of you paint. A lot of you do a lot of things. You read. I read. It's just endless of the things that we do. And a lot of you have eye problems. I am blind as a bat without my glasses. I can see close up, but I cannot see far away. And as I get older, my eyes have gotten worse and worse and worse. If I didn't pay extra for thin lenses on my glasses, I would be walking around looking like I look through Coke bottles. So, I just want, this product is a godsend to me. Because like I said, if I didn't have something similar to this, I wouldn't be able to do what I love. So, like I said, thank you, Jennifer, for sending this to me. And I hope that when I show y'all what this is, that y'all don't walk. I hope y'all run to her website. And I hope that y'all get one or something similar, because y'all, she has given me a hell of a nice discount to give to all of y'all if you decide to get something off her website. Okay? So, what is this that I am yammering about? Ta-da! It is an LED magnifying lamp. Now, you don't have to get this one. She has got tons and tons and tons of them on her website. Now, this is the one that I thought we would all like, because it is hands-free, because we do diamond paint, we do sew, we do cross-stitch, and those things require us to have our hands free. But she does have handheld magnifying lamps. She has the kind, I think, that goes around your neck. She just has all kinds of different magnifying lights. Some don't light up. A lot of them are handheld. So, once my video is over, please, please, please go check her website out. Because like I said, she is giving me one heck of a discount to give to all of y'all, so that you can purchase one and use the discount for yourself. So, this one is from, well, I guess I ought to tell y'all what the website is. It is Magnipros. Good Lord, Jennifer, I am so sorry. I'm just so excited about this. And I just want everyone to go check your website out. But it is called Magnipros. And I will put her website right here. And I will also put a link in my description box to her website and to this specific lamp, so that y'all can go check this out. But like I said, she has given me a large discount, and I will also put that in my description box also. Alright, so Magnipros is the name of this website and the of the company. All right, so this is the one that she has sent to me. And as you can see, it is got two little places right here to where you can set your phone, and it has a large square or rectangle lamp, and there are LED lights that goes all the way around. It has the gooseneck that is adjustable. It does have the base. I have not looked at it. I just took it out of the it came in a bubble wrap mailer, and it had some kind of gunk on it from being mailed. It wasn't nothing that was sent on it. It was like, it looked like something had gotten on it through shipping. So, and if you want to pause, right here is all her information. She is located in California. There is her phone number. There is her support. There is her website, but I'm still going to put it on the screen. So she also has a Instagram, Facebook, and a Twitter. So there's all that. All right, so let's get into this. And again, Jennifer, thank you so much for sending this. I cannot thank you enough. And it is packaged in there quite well. Whoop. Whoops. All right. So, here is the little instruction book. Tells what comes with it. And this shows that it is a 4 times LED magnifying lamp. Has the item number to it. Has the packaging content. Shows that it's got a film on it and all that good stuff. Okay. All of that. Comes with a cleaning wipe. Alright. So, I don't want to break anything. Okay, here's the cord. Okay, maybe, I don't know what to take out first. Okay, and then here's this. And the base. Alright, now I'm going to move this. Now, you all may know, but I'm going to show you if this will let me. If not, I'll just raise this up. Now, this is what I have been using for years. And it has managed to keep me very nice. Okay? But look at the difference. Big, big difference. Big difference. Okay? So, now if I can bring this back down and get this back squared away. Okay, so this is the base. I don't know if I got the camera back in view or not. Alright, so alright, let's see. What is that? Am I supposed to take that off or something? Okay. Alright, so here's the bottom, and it's got these little rubbery feet, I guess you could say. Alright, so we have a base, but it also comes with a clamp if, say, I wanted to clamp it onto my desk. So I have both options. Alright, so the gooseneck is adjustable. And then right here, is where you turn on the light, and then you can adjust the brightness. Okay. And then I guess I should probably read the directions. All right, let's see. All right, so... Oh, okay. That just is like the little thing that... Okay, I see. All right. I might... Okay, I'm going to take that off. Yeah, this is going to need a good cleaning. Alright, so let's see. I hope I can do this. Be able to show y'all. Okay. I'm going to bring y'all back up. Okay, so there's that. Alright, I'm going to have to plug this up. Okay, and the cord on this is pretty long, y'all. Alright, I'm going to have to unplug something over here on my power strip. Alright. Alright. I have to figure all that out another time. Alright. Ooh, that's bright. Alright, I'm going to turn my old one off. Alright, we're just going to move him out the way. Okay, it's pretty bright. Okay. Now, to where my old one is actually made out of glass, this one is, let's see, I'm going to put my hand right here so I don't make anybody sick with that. Alright, so it is, it comes with a tablet stand, the USB charging port for reading, painting, sewing, needle crafts, puzzles, tablets. It's got the extra large viewing area, which is crystal clear. The lens is acrylic. It is just the viewing area, not counting the whole thing, just the lens part, is 4.75 inches by 7 inches. It magnifies 300% without distortion. It has an anti-glare, which is great for people who wear glasses. Because glaring, if you wear glasses, you know what glaring, ugh, horrible. Okay, and it has it's fully dimmable. So you decide how bright you want this light. So this is, yeah, I'm definitely going to have to clean that. So, can y'all see how well? I can't see through the camera to see if y'all can see how well that is. And let me see, where's my actual phone? My old phone, I use my old phone to make my videos, and my new phone I use as my phone. But if you have a tablet, you can put your tablet right there, or you can put your phone right there, or like that. But I seen they have a video to where they have got it to where you can do it like this, to where you can watch your tablet or your phone through this onto here. So that's pretty cool. But this gooseneck will go any way you want it to go. So, can y'all see? Small print, how magnified that is. Let's see. You know what? Duh, I am sitting here with a freaking diamond painting that I have been working on, trying to get this sucker done so I can start. I have got a series, y'all, that I'm fixing to start on my channel. Some may like it, some might not. But I'm fixing to start doing miniature houses on my channel. I'm going to do a series of them. Like part 1s, part 2s, part 3s until I'm done with them. So y'all can start watching me do those too on my channel. I'm still going to diamond paint, but yeah. Anyway, I've been trying to get this one done for my husband. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5 sections left. Well, you might as well say 4.5 because I'm almost done with that section. But I've been trying to get this one done for my husband so that I can start my house and not be interrupted with it. So anyway. So yeah, I'm going to leave the link to this on or in my description box so y'all can go check this out. And like I said, if you put at checkout Scarlet, capital C, wrong, strike that, capital SCARLET 20. She has given everybody 20% off your total at checkout on her website. Now, I do hope that y'all all go and check this out because it's 20% off. It doesn't matter if it's a $50 magnifying lamp or a $30 or a $17. She has given everybody 20% off your total. So please, please, please go check it out and show her some love and just, use my discount code and, please go check it out because she was so generous enough to send this to me to share with all of y'all and to also give you the discount code. And I thought that was very nice of her. So thank you again, Jennifer. I so appreciate it. And I know my subscribers will appreciate it too. So thank you. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. And until my next one, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.